Hey guys, this week's Tuesday Big Craft is melted crayon art, so let's dive in. These are the resources that we will need for this craft. A canvas, a pack of crayons, a hairdryer with adjustable heat settings so that we can turn it up to the highest it will go, and a hot glue gun. To start off, you're going to choose the crayons that you want to use and make a color gradient out of them. Next, we're going to glue down our crayons using hot glue. So we use a small dollop of glue and put our crayons in a straight line across the top of the canvas. Continuing until all of the crayons are glued down to the canvas. Next, we are going to turn our blow dryer up all the way and then begin to use the blow dryer and blow from the top of the crayons. And as the crayon wax melts, it will spray further down the canvas. You may also want to put down a garbage bag so that when the crayons overspray the canvas, it doesn't wreck other surfaces. Continue until the crayons are splatting down the rest of the canvas. They will begin to melt quite quickly, and continue until all of your colors are melted. Continue melting your crayons until you are happy with how far down the canvas the wax is. You can go back and melt other colors if you would like more of them in your art. You can also remelt some of the wax so that it goes further down the canvas. It's up to you. Alright you guys, so our Tuesday Big Craft is complete. This is how ours turned out. We'll see you next time.